This is the exhibit of the Air Force One. This is the Secret Service. Air Force One. See? Air Force One. That's my plane. Get out my plane. Move it. Thank you.
You're welcome, you're welcome. Congratulations.
Football. Cherry aid for that was sitting back in the staff section. This is the real plane?
Seven presidents flew on this plane.
Wow. Oh, this is the actual plane. I thought this is a replica. So this is the actual plane. Okay. Can you video this?
It would be more expensive to make a replica.
Yeah.
Ito yung apple niya. Diba? Ayun, nakita mo yung cockpit eh.
I'm gonna take a big video. This is the actual Air Force One. I thought it was a replica, but this is the cockpit right here. Wow.
Control center. Dito siya na...
Customize pala.
This is the actual plane used by President Reagan, my dad. This is where the meeting happened. This is where they signed the document. Welcome to the Air Force One presidential plane. This is where my dad used when he was the president. For now, my dad is now retired, so am I. before the computer does, huh?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. It was the 80s, right? There was no computers yet. They were still coming. I feel like a dinosaur myself. I remember that I was using the 3.5,
Yeah.
discs, yes.
I did the first time I got it was the replica, but this is the original plane.
Yeah, it is the original plane. There were 7 presidents who were flying, but Reagan got it because he flew the most planes. So this is the original plane.
Yeah, kasi look, para sa mga reporter. There's always media eh.
Like having cake on board.
Di ba yun?
In case somebody's missing a part day or an anniversary or something.
Parang yung kay Ninoy natin. Kasama niya rin.
Thank you for flying Air Force One. Please come back. Thank you. This is the best. In behalf of my presidency, thank you for coming. Ah. May mo kami. Thank you in behalf of my presidency. Thank you. And please come back again. We're gonna fly to Chicago. We're gonna meet you there. To all my friends. This is the Impala. Okay, this is the cockpit of the Marine One. Again, we're gonna fly to Chicago tonight with my military aid. Okay, let's go. Right here. Do not sit. Okay, do not sit. Thank you. So, well, let's go. Come on, boys. We're gonna fly to Los Angeles. I have some agreement for the Hamas. To declare freedom of liberty, and not Darigold. Okay, okay. So I'm living in the Marine One, the helicopter of the United States. This is my contemporary, Senator For what? Yeah. Okay, thank you. The marine one over here. This is power of the marine one, 2.4 million.